spring, Poppy.
Happy spring to you, Camilla. How are you doing?
Good. I've got a question. How do you get your gutters ready for spring?
Oh, that's a great question, Camilla. So, you gotta get up there and take a look and see if they are full of stuff. And usually they are. And you know, it's like leaves and pine needles and stuff like that.
Goop.
Goop, yeah. So, and then also when you clean up your flower beds underneath the gutter, if you kind of have like a gutter kind of thing in your flower bed where all the water ran over the gutters, that kind of means that the gutters are not working that well.
Yeah.
So, it's time to call
Klaus Larsen.
and get some new gutters on your house.
Correct. Wow, that is a strong gutter.
Well, check this out here. Check this out here. Hold on to Papi.
Wow, that is the strongest gutter I ever seen.